Tired of mosquitoes ruining your evenings? Meet MozziQuit MINI, your compact mosquito trap for indoor spaces. Start by unboxing the product carefully to avoid any damage. Make sure your unit includes a collection container with a net inside. Plug the device into a power source. You should see a blue light glowing and hear the gentle sound of a fan. Check that the collection container is properly locked in place. Rotate it clockwise until secure. For best results, place the Mini in your room after 7 p.m. Use an extension cord and keep it at floor level. Switch off the lights. This helps attract mosquitoes towards the device instead of you. Make sure doors and windows are closed and don't place the Mini directly under a fan. Let it run overnight. The next day, remove the collection container by turning it anti-clockwise and safely dispose of the trapped mosquitoes. Read the instruction manual thoroughly and don't forget to sign the warranty card with your authorized dealer. Mosquito Mini, smart protection for high-rise homes. Order yours today on Amazon or Flipkart.